This is my assignment 2. So there's two part in this code. So the first task is do a linked list. So I have been provided the doubly linked list code. So I'm going to inherit this code to make a new code which include do, undo, and redo interface that could use the doubly linked list. So the do will create a list with the value of array, and then I need to sort the reverse list and do a bunch of tasks. So let's have a look at the code. So firstly, I imported the double linked list. Made a class app. So this is the inheritance of this doubly linked list. So which we could have a quick look of it. This is, I put the code here also. So it basically have the node for the the normal append the node here, and this linked list have the function append function, revert, delete, and all the print, insert, reverse, and get and set method. So first we need the do function for our app class. So for the constructor is first inheritance from the super class, call the init constructor from the super, and so put the point the counter to the tail, and for the do class, so put the tail as the current. So basically in do the do class will pass args. So we could put different actions. Like for example, the action could be create, sort, reverse, and add. Like here we call the function here with the data creation here and with the data parser here. So basically when it the action type is create, it's gonna to basically append call the append function in the parent class, and the current is equal to the tail. If it's sort, then it's going to get the data of the current node, and this is a copy of the data of the current node, and then sort the node, and then append that data back to be the next node. And if the action is reverse, it's gonna to do something very similar to the sort action. The only thing is difference here, do it in the reverse way, and then put the pointer to the tail, and its function is add. So it's just append a new node, and put a pointer to the new node. So for undo, it's just a basically move the pointer to the previous node, and for the redo, it's like make the move the pointer to the next node. So like we could see like when to do the result is here. Like when we do the create, we create a new node with a value of this, and after sorting it becomes this, and after reverse the list, it reverses back and add the 9 to the end of the list. When we do 8, and so when undo, it will point to the previous one. It's like this one, and so and you keeps undo, it points to this one, and a 9 to the end of the list again, and undo. So you basically, if there's like no previous node, is going to display cannot redo. The second task is do a stack. So this is a stack function. The initiator this is a constructor for like an empty array. So the empty function is just to return a boolean value to check if the array is empty or not, and the push is basically just append the data at the end of the array, and so the pop is just gonna pop the last value of it out of the array. So this is a function to check if the word is a palindrome. So it's like if it's fix the condition. So first we create an empty stack by instantiate the instance. So for character in each word, we append the character in the empty array or the empty stack, and we make a reverse empty string called reverse first. So basically so when the string is not string, but the stack is not empty, so basically the stack is currently full of the character of the word is character of the word array. So we're gonna like pop from the end one by one. So when it's not empty, we keeps popping. When it's empty, we stop. And then and appended that to the empty array to create a reverse word basically. So we check if the reverse word is equal to the word. If it is the same, is true. If it's not, then it's false. So basically we checked, like for example, lever will return true because the reverse is the same as the original word. If the reverse is not the same, then it's not. So this is my assignment 2. Thank you.